2, add x plus 2 over x plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 over x squared. Once again, looking at these denominators, 6 is over 1. 1's not going to factor into the least common denominator discussion. It just creates a fraction. Look to that part though, so it's not bad to do. X plus 4 and x squared. When you start having powers, put the powers outside. So x is the factor that's being raised to the second power. X plus 4 is the factor that's being raised to the first power. Officially, there's a first power there. All right. So when I do my least common denominator here, LCD, my factors are x and x plus 4. The highest power of x is 2. The highest power of x plus 4 is 1. Again, that 1's an understood one, so you don't have to write it there. I'm just writing there for effect, really. So once I establish the least common denominator is that thing, I make my fraction bar. I got x squared times x plus 4 as my common denominator. And then I simply have to modify each numerator appropriately for how I created the common denominator. So the first fraction is this one. X plus 2 is the numerator. Notice the numerator is a binomial, so I encase that in parentheses. Always treat everything as one object. So if you have multiple objects, put parentheses around and treat it as one object. X plus 4 was the denominator. X plus 4 times x squared is the new denominator, so x squared is new. So I'm going to multiply x plus 2 times x squared. But again, x plus 2 in parentheses, that requires a distributive property to happen. I've got plus 6, so I still have plus 6. And 1 was the denominator, now x squared times x plus 4 is. So x squared is new, and x plus 4 is new. So all that multiplies by 6. And finally, I got 2 over x squared. Plus 2 is what it was. X squared is what the denominator was. X plus 4 is new. So we put an x plus 4 on that one. Okay, so create the correct numerators for each denominator. And then it's just a matter of simplifying the top. And notice the black and the red and the green, they're all just distributive properties. For the black one, x squared times x squared times 2 gives me x cubed plus 2x squared. The red one, the 6 and the x squared multiply together at first, then 6x squared distributes through here. It is a positive 6x squared, so positive 6x squared times x is positive 6x cubed. Positive 6x squared times positive 4 is positive 24x squared. And then for the green one, positive 2 being multiplied through x plus 4 gets me positive 2x plus 8. All that's continuing to be over the common denominator of x squared times x plus 4. Once you find the common denominator, it goes here, it goes here. Nothing happens to the common denominator, you just keep on simplifying it on top. The bottom stays x squared times x plus 4. The only final step on the top then is to combine like terms. X cubed and 6x cubed make positive 7x cubed. 2x squared and 24x squared make positive 26x squared. 2x and 8 have no common terms, so 2x and 8 end up at the end. And there's your simplified answer. Again, the top completely simplified, parentheses and like terms all fixed. The bottom stays factored. That's what final answer should look like.